DJ Burn on the mix.
We gotta do a song that's never heard before.
Alone, I am Miss Universe of ACEH Jabal Ghafur University of Negoro ACEH Dar es Salaam, Pidi, Indonesia. Today, I just want to share my opinion to you about how to make our English department to be more progress in future. There are several things that we have to think over. First of all, we have to have native speaker lecturers to lecture English subjects. Secondly, every lecturer must speak English to transfer knowledges of English. Finally, lecturers should use computer applications and projector in process teaching and learning. Those are the ways how to make English of Jabal Ghafur University and grow ACEH Dar es Salaam will be highly appreciated to compete in the world of education.